Hey, what's up, people? This is Chris from Unbox Addiction. Here's an unboxing of the Siros X-Buds wireless Bluetooth earbuds. I got these to replace the earbuds that I had from my iPhone. As you saw in a previous video, I had some knockoff AirPod clones. Well, unfortunately, I had dropped one and actually stepped on it, so that answers that. So instead of just getting another copy, I figured, hey, I saw this on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the video. So I figured I'd give this a shot. I actually saw these on a YouTube video by a creator by the name of Dr Earbuds, and it just appealed to me. So I'm giving him a shout out, and let me go ahead and open this up in a minute. But it says it has a breathing light, 5 to 20 hours play, ergonomic fitness, and does it say the same thing? I know, touch controls, smart pairing, and wireless charging. Apparently, just like the regular AirPods, all you have to do is just open up the case, and it should pair with your phone. We'll put that to the test. So, anyways, I got my trusty knife here. So let's go ahead and get this wrapped open. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and pull this out the box. Sorry, y'all. I'm doing this with one hand. I immediately got this in the mail, so I just wanted to do a video, so no, I don't have my stand or anything like that. So this is just an unpromptu video. Instructions, I'll open that later. Charging cable, looks like it's USB-C. Let me just take a look. It is a very short cable, but yes, it is does appear to be USB-C, so that's a good thing. All right, put that to the side. Anything else in here? No. All right. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Well, let's take a look. What is this? Probably not. Probably just the actual box. Yep, that's it. Nothing else inside. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. So I saw this on Amazon. It was about 40 bucks. So here we go. Nice shiny case. I see this getting scratched up pretty easily, but let's go ahead and crack it open. And here they go. So there's a charging indicator light. Things have a light around it. It's probably not charged yet, so you're probably not going to see it. So. And there it is. Alright, so it's going to try to get these things paired up. Alright, so one other thing I forgot to mention, as you can see, the design of the earpiece is kind of similar to the end of the actual original AirPods. So there's a speaker there and a speaker there. So I don't think these are charged yet, so I probably won't be able to try them out. So I'll let you know after they get charged up. Alright, so now that it's fully charged, let's try what's going on. I'll go ahead and turn my Bluetooth on. Still has the my fake AirPods connected on some of my other Bluetooth devices. Supposed to be able to just flip the case open. Once this thing opens up, this thing has this powerful latch and magnet to it. So there we go. And damn, now it's pretty quick. X-Buds, go and select that. And there it is. And it's lit up and everything. Got the 4 LED lights and the light sensors. So, yep, it is now connected.
So anyways, in conclusion, these things are actually not bad. Like I said, I got these for about 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. For pretty decent Bluetooth headphones, they're fine. I mean, they won't blow your socks off. They don't have the best sound, but just for headphones that cost about 40 bucks, they should be fine. Anyways, this is Chris from Unbox Addiction. If you like these videos, please like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, well, I appreciate watching anyways. You guys be safe and take care.